William J. and Beverly Goldsborough Scholarship is one of Monmouth College's most selective academic awards. Awarded to only 2 students each year, the Goldsborough Scholarship recognizes outstanding students from the Chicagoland area who have consistently demonstrated academic excellence throughout their high school careers and who also embody the values and mission of Monmouth College. Goldsborough scholars receive a full tuition scholarship for 4 years at Monmouth. We are honored to name Meg Cadell of Lisle High School in Lisle, Illinois as a 2022 recipient of the college's Goldsborough Scholarship.
Meg is another one of those students that instantly, when I went through her application, I knew, okay, she needs to apply for this. She is going to be in contention. Easily one of the highest academic students that I've seen this year. So I'm not surprised that she was able to receive this scholarship through just everything she does. I mean, athletics, the arts, community service, civic engagement. It's just the kind of thing that we see for our students who kind of are at the top of that scale. She actually came across us with an alum of the college in middle school. I think it was one of her music teachers. So that was her first impression. Of course, that's quite some time ago at this point, but it stuck with her.
Meg was very impressive because she's clearly, highly intelligent, but what was so impressive was her way that she could just relate to other people, even about the things she was passionate about. So her computer science endeavors and the projects and things she's already worked on, she was able to communicate so well and so clearly to 2 of us who weren't computer scientists in a way that we could tell how highly accomplished she was, but we could also relate to her. And she was, sort of wise beyond her years in many ways in terms of being able to read who her audience was and really communicate with people. So that was very impressive. Someone who can excel in a very highly technical field and area, but yet communicate to anyone about it in a way that they could understand. So I think that can be really beneficial here at Monmouth because she has interests in computer science clearly, but she talked about some other interests and things she enjoys. And so Monmouth is a perfect place to pursue that main passion you have, but you've got a lot of freedom to explore and pair that with other things and explore some of your other interests at the same time. And so I think that would be very beneficial for our campus, but also beneficial for Meg. I think she would do very well here in that respect. And I also believe she'd do great things for the campus in general.
So there's 2 people who I know who kind of made me think about it. And neither of them were like pushing me. They just kind of like put the thought in my mind. So the choir teacher at my school, I'm not even in choir, but she was like talking with my family and she's like, oh yeah, I went to the school called Monmouth and I really loved it. And like my family has some Scottish heritage and she was bringing up like the Scottish aspects of Monmouth. So then like my family was like bonding with her over that. And it was always in the back of my mind. And then I have a friend whose sister goes here and I always just heard like good things. And so then once I had to start looking for colleges, I was like, I'm going to consider that, I was sitting right here. I was doing homework. I think I was doing calc. And then I got a call and I kind of panicked. And I know this sounds bad, but I like didn't want to answer because I was so afraid. I didn't know what was going to happen. I just like didn't want to answer it. And then he was like, oh, I'm going to call again. And this probably sounds horrible. But so then I texted him like, oh, it's okay. I can call right now. I was just like panicking. So then he called back and then he told me and he was like, we have to update your financial aid package. And I was like pulling it off on my computer and I was like, I don't know, maybe I did something. Maybe there's less money for me. I don't know. And then he told me, he's like, you got this. And then I like started crying a little bit. I couldn't really respond properly. I was very happy.